Hi everyone, welcome back to English Language and Literature. Do you want to sound more confident and professional at work? In today's video, we will explore business English words. We will cover their meaning, give you a real-world example so you can start using them immediately. Let's get started. The first word is agenda. It's a list of items to discuss during a meeting. It helps to keep things organized. For example, we can see here, before we start the meeting, let's go over the agenda to ensure everyone is on the same page. For practice, you can try saying in your next meeting something like, "Can we add the new marketing strategy to today's agenda?" The second word is deadline. A deadline is the date or time when something must be finished. For example, we are working under a tight deadline, or our report deadline is Friday, so let's prioritize this task today. For practice, think about a task that you're working on and you can comment below when your deadline is. The third word is proposal. Proposal is a formal plan or suggestion, often written, that is present for approval or discussion. For example, the proposal outlines our goals for the next quarter, or we submitted a proposal for the new client project last week. Let's follow up on it. For practice, try saying, "I need to review the proposal before the meeting this afternoon." The next word is feedback. Feedback means comments or suggestions to improve your work. For example, "Do you have any feedback on my recent email draft? And thanks for the feedback on my presentation. I'll make those changes before the meeting." For practice, you can ask in your next meeting for constructive feedback. So that's it, guys. Let's recount the words we learned today: agenda, deadline, proposal, and feedback. Here is a challenge. Use at least one of those words in your next email or meeting. Drop a comment below and tell us how it went. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more business English tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.